Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, does Apple Maps work in China? And my short answer is yes, Apple Maps work in China and no VPN needed. When you land to the China, it automatically switches to local data. The best one, that interface stays in English, but some streets appear in Chinese. Street name, I mean. Also, you can search using English, not Chinese characters, what a good one also. Now, if directions do not load when you are abroad, don't worry about it. They'll start working once you actually in the China. And you can also download offline maps to use it without internet. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.